Today I'm going to show you how you can create money online from nothing. Okay, you don't have to spend any money. All you need to do is just a bit of information. I'll tell you everything as we continue. What exactly it is that you need to do. All right. I know some people do not have money to invest on any online business. So this is a solution I've created that will help you to create money online from scratch. Okay, so that's going to help you have enough money either to spend or to reinvest online and create an even bigger business. Okay, so it's simple. What do you need? All you need is a cell phone. Okay, could be an iPhone or an iPad or an Android phone. Okay, and then you need an internet connection and a free app. So what must you do? It's simple. There's a link below. Okay, all you're gonna do is you're gonna download this app. All right, you're gonna install it. You're gonna run it for 30 seconds to a minute. Okay, make sure that you do not close the download page where you download the app, because that page is going to redirect you after 30 seconds of running that app, 30 seconds to a minute. Okay, and then it will redirect you to a short training that will show you how you can easily make money, using this app. Okay, it's as simple as that. All right, put your wallet away. You are not spending any money. All you need to do is just spend a little bit of time. Now, if you cannot make money online doing this, it means you really do not want to make money online, because it doesn't get simpler than this. Okay, guys, so I'll see you on the other side.